For this recipe, first fry the paneer lightly. Then remove from oil and soak in plain water. Then in a pan, heat the oil, add bay leaves, cinnamon and cardamom. Now add the ginger paste, cumin powder, turmeric. Mix it well. Then add Kashmiri chili powder, tomato puree, green chilies and beaten yogurt. Mix it well. Now add soaked paneer along with water. Season with salt and sugar. Now bring it to boil. Now cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Then pour the coconut milk. Cook for another 2 minutes. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve. The paneer is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching.